I have to be honest with you. Over the last few weeks, I realized something that forced me to make a radical change. I've stopped using Suno the way I used to. A lot of people think AI music is the ultimate shortcut, but for what I'm trying to achieve with Valerome, it turned into a dead end. Today, I'm going to show you why pure AI music almost destroyed my songs and how I'm now taking them to a whole new level. Stick around because the difference is shocking. Before we get to the technical stuff, I have something to confess. If you have followed my 100+ videos, you know that I'm usually hide behind my music. Today is the first time I'm brave enough to talk directly into the camera. To be honest, I'm scared. I worry about my accent, about finding the right words, but at tough, my channel is about mental health music. How can I talk about courage if I'm hiding? You as a community deserve to know who is behind this channel, behind this production. I'm a real person with flaws, and that's exactly how I want my music to be now. Suno has often a huge problem with structure. Have you experienced this? You ask Suno for a 3-minute song and it generates 8 minutes of material. The AI gets stuck into loop and repeating the same phrase over and over again. It goes nowhere. It feels empty. A pure AI has no soul, no emotions. I've realized that Suno is a great idea generator, but as final product, it fails in different ways. Ways that I try to fix manually now. First is the audio quality. Suno files are often compressed. You can hear that metallic hissing in the high frequencies. What we call artifacts in Audacity, I now use EQs and de-essers to clean up this digital noise so the sound can finally breathe. Second, the lack of dynamics. AI music is often just a wall of sound, but true healing needs soft and loud moments. I now automate the volume in my DAW, make sure the chorus really opens up with while the verse remains gentle and calm. Third, structural chaos. As I mentioned it, Suno often creates 8-minute loops that repeat endlessly. I'm taking the scalpel into my own hands now. I cut out entire sections, extend intros, or build intentional silences. In therapy music, silence is often more important than the sound itself. And this is the most important point: the precision of binaural beats. For binaural beats to actually help with anxiety, the frequencies must be mathematically exact. For example, exactly a 7 Hz difference between the left and the right ear. An IA cannot guarantee this level of precision. I now generate these frequencies separately and layer them as a dedicated track under my songs. This is the only way I can be 100% sure that the music actually delivers the healing effect I promise you. I'm so glad that this step I've always wanted to learn how to produce properly, and now I have the perfect reason. It just feels right to spend more time indoors and truly understand what's behind the frequencies. It's a process and I'm learning every day. But I believe you, my community deserves that extra mile. AI is a tool, not an artist. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I will try to reply to everyone. And if you want to join me on this new honest journey, please subscribe. Thanks for being here, and if you want to listen for more songs, I will link you some here and some here. Thank you very much, your Valerome.